Welcome to the channel, everybody. Roy's Moto Ventures. Today it's going to be a quick little video on a little product that I purchased off of Amazon. Link will be in the description below if you're interested. I've been doing a lot of lights on my motorcycle, adding lights, and of course, you know what you got to do when you add lights to your Harley? You got to take the seat off all the time. Okay? I have a 2021 Harley Davidson Road Glide Limited. And what's that mean? It means there's a torque pack on the back. And everybody knows how do you take off the seat? Screw. One little Phillips head screw behind the passenger part of the seat and underneath the torque pack. It's kind of a pain in the ass to take off every time trying to get your screwdriver in there. Let me show you. Let's see if I can get you in here to see. Here's the back seat. Here's my torque pack. Okay? The screw to release the seat is right under here. I don't know if you can see. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to. Right there. I don't know if you can see it. Way down in there. Let me see if I can get a light. Alright, see that screw? There it is. Way down there. Right there. There we go. That screw. Pain in the ass to get to. Alright, so I got this little, I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Amazicha. Alright, whatever. Can't pronounce it, but here it is. All it is a nice thumb screw. It's got a washer, lock washer. Don't know if we need all that, but it's a nice big, thick lock washer. Thumb screw. I don't think I need all this stuff. But we'll see. I'm going to go put it on. Alright. Here's the little Phillips head screw that goes for the seat. So it's kind of hard to get in there. Alright, so I put that black iodized aluminum thumb screw into the seat bracket there. It's a lot easier using that thumb screw than trying to, because it's got a fat head on it, than trying to put the little Phillips head screw into the seat hole. I'd say it was a little easier. It was still difficult because there ain't much room to get your hand in there, and there's wires in there, cables, your antenna, and all that other crap. But anyway, it's a lot easier than trying to get that little Phillips head screw in there. But you also got to be careful to try not to cross thread it. I always had issues even with the little Phillips head screw that goes in there. So you got to even be more careful with this thumb screw, because it's whatever iodized aluminum there or whatever it is. Just a quick little video. Link will be in the description below for the thumb screw to attach the seat if you're interested. And if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and smash that like, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.